name is Harshi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Harshi Baldota and I am a third year law student at GLC Mumbai. Well, it is less than 3 days to the examination and I hope everyone has geared themselves up and I hope that everyone is satisfied with the level of preparation they have done till now. Well, last 3 days I'll address everything that you should be doing before the examination, going to the examination center and in the examination center. First thing is reach on time. You don't know, it's monsoon season, you don't know when the rains can suddenly start, when you can face traffic, when you can, if you are traveling by train, when can the trains just randomly stop. So do not take this thing very lightly. So reach your center on the stipulated time, and if it is possible, reach at least like 5 minutes before the stipulated time also, because you don't know where the center is exactly. You might take time to reach the center, you might take time to figure out where the center is, where the gate is, etc. So, and there will be a lot of people there, so you will have to like stand in queues, and it's better that you stand in the queue in first and then go to your exam hall and just sit and relax. So first thing, reach your center at the stipulated time, before time, on time. Second thing is, do not lose your calm. It is very okay to be anxious, and it is very normal to be anxious when you are giving a competitive exam, when you are giving an exam which will decide where you will be for your next 5 years and stuff like that. But do not be anxious, do not be nervous to that level that it ruins your exam. For someone like me who ruins things when she is anxious, she is nervous, do not do that. Whenever you are feeling like you are, it's getting overwhelming, just have a sip of water and think about things that, what you will do after the examination, how will you spend your vacation, because it will take 2 to 3 months to get your admission, like, the results and admission time. So what will you do in that time and stuff like that. So prepare and think about that when you are feeling overwhelmed. Third thing is that take everything that is expected of you to take. Do not be under the impression that you will get to ask someone else for something, that bhai ek rubber de de, bhai ek eraser de de. No, do not do that, because people will complain. If people complain against you, you might not even get to give the examination, that this person is copying or stuff like that. So take your admit card, take your government ID, take your pencil, take your eraser, take your pens, everything that you might be needing. Take a water bottle, take a handkerchief again, because you might, when you are standing outside the center, you might get like little sweaty. So take your handkerchief along. Fourth thing is that do not use a lot of sheets in the examination. I have said this time and again that you might not get a lot of sheets to do your rough work on. So be very judicious in your usage of rough sheets. Draw the diagrams with pen. Whatever the variables are, draw it with pencil, so that if you are like messing with something, you can rub it out. And it's just, and make the diagrams in logic, and specifically in logical reasoning, make the diagrams very like neat and clean, because sometimes what happens is someone is making the diagram correctly, but while solving the questions, because वो पूरा diagram गिचड़ी हो जाता है, they are like themselves confused in मैंने क्या किया है, and then they solve the questions wrongly. So do not forget to draw it nicely, draw it neatly, so that you don't face such an issue. And the last one is that do not eat a lot of food before going to the examination. Keep your stomach filled properly, but do not eat a lot, especially if you are having an afternoon slot, because there is like AC there, and if you have like eaten a lot, you might get little sleepy, and that can hamper your way of solving the questions and your speed of solving the questions. So keep your food, keep your stomach filled, but not a lot of food that can like cause you sleepiness and dizziness. Well, that's it for this video. If you like the video, if you found it helpful, if you think that this is some information that I did not get on any other channel but on this channel, well, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, press the like button and comment down below that you found it helpful, and maybe wish other aspirants a good luck also. We can like create a good environment by wishing everyone good luck. So that's it. Last one day to the examination. I hope you kill it. I hope you come out of the exam center with a good happy smile on your face, and see you. Bye bye.